Okay, so the thing with organic chemistry is there's a lot of little rules and a lot of functional groups and a lot of things going on that involve carbons. So hopefully to make it a little bit easier, I've listed everything out here and we can just go over what all these mean, and then I'll talk to you about what a possible question would look like here. So anything with an A-N-E ending, like propane or methane, means that you have a carbon with a single bond. Anything with an E-N-E ending means you have a double bond, and anything with a Y-N-E ending means you have a triple bond next to your carbon. An alcohol ends in an OH bond. Phenols are very similar to alcohols, except usually what you have is a large amount of carbons. And you get like a benzene ring type effect with an OH attached. Ethers are any compound that has an oxygen in the middle. An amine means that you have a nitrogen in the middle. An amide means that your nitrogen has a carbon double bonded to an oxygen attached. Ketones usually look like oxygens double bonded to carbons, like so. An aldehyde usually means that you've got a carbon attached to an oxygen on one side and double bonded to an oxygen on the other side. So you've got, it looks very similar to a ketone, except the aldehyde has a hydrogen coming off. A carboxylic acid, again, these three are going to look very similar. Carboxylic acid, you have your carbon again, double bonded to your oxygen, but then on the other bond you have another oxygen with a hydrogen coming off. Esters, again looking very similar. You have your carbon-oxygen double bond, and then just an oxygen coming off. Polymers are really, really long, complex molecules that repeat themselves, and I won't draw one out here for you. So let's go ahead and do a sample couple of problems here. You would be asked a question such as C6H5OH. What kind of compound is that? What kind of organic molecule? Well, you see your OH ending here at the end, so that should help you narrow it down to either an alcohol or a phenol. So then you have to look what's attached to my OH. Alcohols are a little bit simpler. This C6H5OH is actually this very phenol that I've drawn out for you here with a ring of carbons. A ring of carbons is your C6. So that's a phenol. Let's do another one. Let's do C2H4O. This could also be written, and it might help you. If you pull out a CHO, it might help you see better what kind of functional group we're working with. So what kind of functional group has a CHO ending? An aldehyde. So I hope that this helped you with future questions that you might have and that might be given to you.